Hey Mini Kit Monday friends, I wanted to come on and do a small layout share and then a kill a kit. And my kits are not killed. No, they are not. It's been a funny month and I've been pretty distracted, so I haven't scrapped as much as I would have liked from this kit, but let me show you what I have. And there are process videos for all of these layouts. So this is the first one I did. I'm also doing Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, round 5. So this would be the day 13 sketch sheet had. I mean, I've worked with so many sketches and they are so much fun. So I have this one right here. It's using Chamel's new collection, Never Grow Up, and it is adorable and bright. And even if you don't have a little kid, you can use it. My children are 18 and up, so clearly I don't have little children, but I thought that this was the bee's knees. So I love this one. It's my husband being silly. Next one I have here, I had myself a time fussy cutting out these papers, or this set of florals, and I ended up putting them on a loose diagonal. I used a strip of this gorgeous heart paper. This is the new Paige Evans collection, by the way. Used that, just grabbed out this nice little die cut piece here. I mean, look at how gorgeous this is. Use this word sunshine out of the puffy stickers. Here's another puffy sticker here and here. I mean, it's such a beautiful collection, but like I said, there's a process for it. I just really love that collection. And then finally, this is my third one. And same thing. I mean, I was able to incorporate so many good things from this collection. Punched out a ticket shape here when I wanted to bring just a little bit more green down here. And here you can see all of the lovely Mini Kit Monday ladies. So let me show you kind of what I have going on with my kits. So for my Chamel Never Grow Up collection, I have lots of bits and pieces. Clearly I can make one more layout with it. So I'm not going to break up this page kit. I think it's awesome. I'll do one more collection. I really want to do something spring related, and spring is just really starting to hit when I'm filming this. So I will be getting to that. So like, here's another part of the collection. See all these hilarious little red ants? I'd love to do a little picnic. We're not allowed to go to parks during the time I'm filming this, but I'd love to do some kind of a little picnic out in the yard with my girls or something with that. I think it's hilarious. I only used one little circle dot here and then like a speech bubble from this. Let me see. Oh, I have, let's see what else I have. I have this, and I used this big journaling spot here and this sticker here, because so much of this is meant for better weather. So have to get to that. And then let me show you what I have from my little iris container. I have used some of the washi tape. Now this was about a mid-size roll of washi tape, so I'm gonna have it for quite a while. I do like that it's super usable with the florals. I have used a lot of the wood buttons, a lot of the enamel dots, and just a few of these iridescent sequins, but they'll get used. And then finally, most of the pieces I have left from this awesome die cut collection here are spring related. So I will have to wait for good pictures for that, but that is my Chamel Never Grow Up collection that I brought in. And then let's see what else I used. Oh, yeah, I love spring. Yep, I'm gonna have to tell you what I did with I Love Spring. So where I Love Spring is concerned, I didn't touch it at all. Not at all. Did not use one little bit. Wait, you know what? I used a couple little bumblebees from this, and that is it. So that was an epic fail of a page kit idea. And then finally, from, let's see, I did that. Oh, the Bloom collection. Hold on, let me see what I have left from that. Okay, I have this. I have this. I have this. I literally do not have any of the paper left from this gorgeous Bloom Street collection. Like, absolutely gone. I used every scrap of it. Now, I used a bunch of the floral pieces, this really great multi-tone heart, and just a couple pieces on this side. So I have plenty I can do with that, and I can make a page kit with that later. I used 2 different words from the Puffy Thickers, but I adored this Flutter collection of thickers. They're puffy phrase and accent stickers. So I've used a few different words there, and only a couple of the pieces like hearts and butterflies on the back side. So I definitely can go crazy and enjoy this collection all over again. And then out of the embellishments, I used the word smile here. I used the word my. And, oh, this is the paper that I have left. That's it from my pieces I had of that. Now, I only had 3 of the pattern papers from this collection. So it's not like I did that great, but they are gone. And then the papers I have left, or the die cuts, are definitely super spring related, like Hello Spring. So once again, I am waiting to see some beautiful flowers in my yard and all of that kind of thing. So I did 1, 2, 3. Oh, and for some reason I did a 4th, I brought in 4 page kits in case I really could get going. And I didn't do anything else with the Pink Paisley 5th and Monaco collection either. So really, I just used up all of my Bloom Street in one layout from my Shimelle Never Grow Up. So that's what I did this time. I can't wait to see what our inspiration piece will be for May. And I will be back ever so soon with another video. Goodbye, friends.